In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Hungry Shark game app not working. So if you have installed this game on your smartphone but you can't play because the app is malfunctioning, maybe the app keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, or it can't open, or it has opened but you can't use it, then just follow these steps to fix any of these issues. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to access the Hungry Shark game info page by long pressing on it, and you should see this option app info. Now, depending on the smartphone you are using, you might see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just tap on it and this will take you to app info page. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. And you can simply see a breakdown of data stored by this app when we go to storage here. And here is the breakdown of important of this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Hungry Shark normally collects whenever you play to enhance your user experience. So to fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then clear cache, and finally okay. So you will have cleared this accumulated data. Now at this point, you don't have to worry, you will not lose your previous settings or even game level. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, if the issue still persists, then you might want again to come back to the app info page, and this time around you'll need to go ahead and clear all data. But you can choose this as the last option because this will reset your app and you lose all the top levels that you had achieved. So make sure that you try other forms of troubleshooting before you resort to this. At this point, you'll have to log in afresh to your account for you to start playing. However, if any of this didn't work, then you might want to go ahead and look for any update for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So if I go to Google Play Store here and search for my app, so Hungry Shark is here, I'll tap on it, look for any update if it is available. For my case, I have the latest version of this app and therefore I have nothing to update. For your case, should you find any, go ahead and update it to the latest version. At this point, now everything should be okay. But if you're still encountering issues such as the game still crashes or abruptly stops, then for that you'll need to go ahead and uninstall this app completely and then install it afresh. So by following any of these methods, you should be able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.